Here's an old 50s model truck, guys. What's left of it.
Yeah, the box is still working.
Woo, boy. Dakota found him a new, right?
Hop in.
Yeah. Well, it does open up, too. I don't mind if I do. Uh-oh. I think there's a weight limit in here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, here we go.
Sonny, why is your visor? Well, you always break things when you get in my truck.
Ah, I'm so sorry.
What happened to the motor guy?
Okay.
That's so cool.
Flipping awesome.
Yeah, I'm sitting in a 50s model truck now. Just not running. Look at this nice door.
Yeah, I can't believe that freaking
Yeah.
this thing was green. Still paint on it.
Hey, it's Flintstone-mobile, man.
It's Flintstone-mobile.
Just kick real hard.
Yeah. Yeah. Sitting behind the wheel here, guys. Feels good. Where the cages would have been. Cluster, glove box. Woo, boy, we're driving up the mountains now. Yeah. This is pretty cool, guys. Yeah, just out in the middle of the mountains. Hey, hitchhiker, you need a ride?
It's pretty cool. Like, it's not seized up or anything. That's amazing.
Yeah, this thing is nice right here. It's gonna be my daily driver, guys.
It's got green and some red paint down there on the frame. Wow, that's cool.
Steering still works. I mean, it's completely free, but you know, it still turns. Oh yeah, it was. All right, guys. On to the next one. See what's up down here. Might get some rain, guys. Might get some rain. All right, guys.